If you love music,
Excellent.
if you love a good time,
I embarrass him at times.
this is for you.
Let's do this funky groove thing.
Keynotes.
That explains a few things, doesn't it?
All new fun.
Dream about it.
Unbeatable entertainment tonight on 9.
Why is a Yowwie called a Yowwie?
Yowwie!
Now you know. And what does a Yowwie eat?
Yowwie!
Now you know. Yowwie Pops, new from White Wings. There's creamy yogurt Yowwie Pops and real fruit juice Yowwie Pops. They're creamy too. You freeze them and you squeeze them.
Yowwie Pops!
And where do you keep your Yowwie Pops?
Yowwie!
Now you know.
It's time to save at 40 Winks. 3-day sellout at 40 Winks. 40 Winks, if it's on the floor, we must sell it out the door. At 40 Winks, we need the room, we'll clear the floor like a broom. 3-day sellout, what do you think? What you want at 40 Winks.
This Friday, Saturday and Sunday, we're slashing prices on all floor stock at 40 Winks. Save up to $500. Hurry in Sunday, 5 p.m.
3-day sellout, what do you think? What you want at 40 Winks.
First came Bach, then Brahms, now. There's Beethoven.
No!
From Ivan Reitman, who brought you Ghostbusters, Kindergarten Cop, and Twins.
Beethoven! My family likes you more than they like me.
Beethoven.
Out now on video.
Some of the world's toughest drivers work in the Marsden Rehabilitation Centre in Sydney. So when we wanted to test the new Hoover 1500 washing machine, we knew exactly where to go. They put the 1500's working components through their paces for 3 years, 7 days a week, 8 washes a day. After surviving the Marsden laundry, you can be sure your new Hoover 1500 will survive almost anything. Hoover puts you ahead of the rest.